Christ, I almost destroyed. What's up guys, my name is KingAnBru and welcome back to on my tips and tricks on how to fail on YouTube. Just kidding. How to be a successful Indian gaming YouTuber. Like, I am not successful myself, but I don't know why I'm giving these tips. Like, I don't really feel anyone talking about this in whole India. Like, I don't really find anyone talking about this, so I might just say it myself, right? Like, if they are not telling it, that doesn't mean these things don't exist in India, right? Indian community needs to grow on the side of gaming, right? We don't have many big gamers out there. Like, the biggest Indian gamer who makes facecam commentaries, Carry Minati, and that too is just because of his fan base that he already has on his main channel. Like, I am here to inspire you that you should start gaming on internet, and if you are an Indian, that makes the best combo. So if you don't know who I am KingAnBru, and I have 18,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is low as fuck. But anyways, we are doing pretty good now, right? I am getting over 550k views on my channel per month and more than 110 plus subscribers every day. So that clears out the stuff that I have small experience with YouTube now. I am doing this thing for over 1.5 years now, and I know how it works, how this thing works, and basic knowledge I have that now. So I would like to share it with all you guys. And these tips don't really matter if you're Indian or somewhere else, but it works for all of them, alright? You need to have fun, that's important, right? So I will really recommend you to write these points down, what I am gonna tell you now, alright? I just made a small list over here so I don't mess up while recording. Like, I do that shit a lot. Well, let's take out the first thing out of the way. Equipments. Like, you don't really need anything to start a gaming channel, alright? You might have seen the big YouTubers video where they go ahead and they show their equipment, then they give tips how to start a YouTube channel. Like, these guys have over 2 million subscribers, guys. They have millions of subs already. They are already settled, and these guys don't really understand the basic needs of a guy who is just starting on YouTube, alright? They don't know that. Maybe they know, but now their thinking has changed, right, about this whole scenario. They will just go out and say, buy a $50 Logitech webcam. Like, dude, that costs $50. Why will someone invest $50 on a YouTube channel without gaining anything from it, right? That's the thing. That's the whole point of this. Start with whatever you have. Find the worst camera possible out there on the market, or I'm sure you're living in the 21st century, guys. You should have a camera at least in your house. That's a common sense. Even if it's 1 megapixel, who cares? Who cares? Even the video quality is an important aspect, but you need to start somewhere at least, right? Find the worst camera possible out there. You don't have to waste any money in this, alright? You can use your phone camera, anything will work. And if you have a PC in your room, that's more than good. You don't really have to worry about specs. It can be the terrible worst PC ever made on planet Earth, alright? So I just told that too much, but anything that starts from 20k rupees, that's fine, that's good enough, alright? Like, most of you are better than that. Till today, I am getting a new MSI laptop tomorrow, by the way. So till today, from last 1.5 years, I am making my videos on a computer which doesn't have a graphic card in it. It takes 6 hours of rendering time for me to do that stuff, and it costs, I'm gonna be honest, it costs like 22k rupees, and that's like $300, less than $300, by the way. So it's a fact, guys. Like, you don't need a big equipment shit with you to grow on YouTube. Get anything you have and start making videos, start posting them. Create your first video with anything you have, alright? Make your 15 videos like that, no one cares, alright? Because you are still new, and you shouldn't be expecting more than 1 view in your first video. And that's a fact. When I started YouTube, my first video got hardly 2 views, and the best part was both were mine. So I'm great. You just need to worry about your audio, alright? That's important. No one cares about your fucking face, alright? You just need to have a good audio with you, and that's more than enough. And I have this $100 microphone. It's not even $100, by the way. It's like $80 to $70 microphone, which is I will leave the link below in the description if I can. By the way, I won't really, because I will just say the name. You can just find it off yourself. You're good, you're internet freak, that's why you're trying to be on YouTube. You can find the link yourself, right? It's Samsung Meteor mic. You'll find it easily. Just search it on the net. It's pretty easy to find. Alright, so you can start a gaming channel within $100. Alright, you don't need any of these stuff that people say, buy a Logitech camera from the link in the description to be a big YouTuber. Buy a Blue Yeti to be a big YouTuber. Buy a $1,000 laptop to be a big YouTuber. It doesn't work. Alright, it doesn't work. Equipment doesn't make a video. It's you who makes a video good and special about yourself. Alright, learn about YouTube. Alright, you got your first 5 videos out. Congratulations for that. You got your 5 videos out, and now you want to learn about these platforms because you now have basic knowledge like how to upload a video, right? So now you need to learn about this platform, how it works. Alright, you need to learn Photoshop. Alright, you need to learn these things. It increases your video quality as well as it increases your knowledge. So it's a double profit. You're learning about your computer, plus you're learning more new things about yourself and how good you can imagine about the video and how you can make it better. Plus you're improving your video quality. So learn Photoshop. All YouTubers on this platform, 95% of them use Photoshop, and that's a fact. Like me, Photoshop is the best software out there which can be used for making thumbnails. That's how I make them. That's how I will always make them. You just need to know basics of Photoshop, and you will slowly keep experimenting with the thumbnails, try to add new effects, and those things work. Alright, YouTube is something that you need to learn and grow something inside yourself to grow out. Alright, few people have seen, they will be like, I'm just gonna wait for 1,000 subscribers, after that I will learn Photoshop. Bro, stop bro. You will never reach 1,000 subscribers if you don't know how to use Photoshop, or you will reach that, but after 5 years. But who cares? They won't learn anyways because they suck at life. Get a YouTube anytime using Sony Vegas Pro 13. It's pretty easy to learn. Alright, learn about tags, description. I will make a separate video about it if you want to know how I write my description tag. Learn things. Alright, be a knowledgeable person, a person who likes to learn. If you don't want to learn, then you can just waste time like me drinking magic. It's something that I won't tell you unless you subscribe me. Getting these things out of the way, I will elaborate it later if you want in a separate video. But third point, if you're a gamer, there is a very good possibility that you might be a toxic gamer. Stop exposing people online. It is not a good way to grow your channel. And it's my request to DA2 community. You're watching it, pro players, legends. You all guys over there, yep, yes, you also that private guy who just joined the militia, you're toxic as fuck. Stop being toxic, it doesn't work. Alright, just assume this guy has 6 friends, this guy has 6 friends. Alright, they both ended up fighting with each other. What happens? This guy's a YouTuber. Alright, he's losing something over here. He's making enemies. Like, he has already made 7 enemies over here. This guy has 6 friends. Alright, this guy has fought with this guy, and this guy has 6 friends. So those 6 friends plus this guy won't subscribe him. So you are already losing 7 subscribers per fight. Fuck you. The moment I joined DA2 community, I knew this was a very, very bad habit of these guys. They want to fight out there. They want to expose people. I don't really understand what they get from doing these kind of things, right? You are just getting haters, nothing else, bro. If you think you are gonna get hundreds of thousands of views, it's not gonna work like this if you are gonna expose people online, right? You're just getting haters out there. And if you have haters, then bro, rest in peace. But being honest, I also have many haters, but they hate my videos, that's fine. But they hate you as a person now, then you are in a very bad condition. Next point, which is stand out. You need to stand out in the YouTube. You need to have something that makes people watch you, alright? You don't have to make things that people are already making. Being honest, before me, I never saw anyone doing face cam on a DA2, and that's the reason I am growing today with 110 plus subs a day, which is good, right? That's a good healthy amount, then it will increase with time, and I know that for sure. You need to stand out. Like, if you now go ahead and make a face cam commentary videos like I do, chances of you starting and booming like I did, is very low, just because of the fact that you're not satisfying the needs of the people. If you go in a business perspective, you're not satisfying the needs of the people. Just think like this, all the channels which are out there India too, most of them are copying each other, and it's a verified fact. What you all guys do is just record gameplays on a dumb phone and then upload, and it's a true fact. It doesn't work like this. You won't ever grow like this, alright? Games at Red Glass started this thing, and that's why he has grown to a very healthy place. Now he has over 55k subscribers, alright? So he started off this, and that's why he has those subs. And now you all guys are just copying him. No matter how big you, how good you are, no one cares about your gameplay, bro. No one ever did, no one ever will, because this is a video making platform. It's not your gameplay platform, alright? So I make face cam commentaries, and first of all, I live in India, first of all, right? And there are not many big Indian face cam commentary channels out there, and which is a pretty disappointing fact. Like, I expected this field to be very big over here. Like, India has one of the largest population in the whole world, dude. It's like, what the fuck? And I'm sure like we have so many gaming freaks over here than no other country will ever have. But I'm a bit disappointed that nobody took a chance and do face cam commentary in a big perspective. But I have seen channels that are doing pretty well, and best of luck for them, right? Make your audience come back, and that's important. If you make something clickbaity and you eventually get 1,000 views on it, alright? You get like 15 to 20 subscribers. Your next video is shit as fuck. They won't come back to your channel ever again. And what you got in return? You got 15 to 20 dead subscribers, mate. Next point, be consistent and keep grinding. You need to be consistent over here in this platform, otherwise you won't grow. Being a YouTuber, gaming YouTuber, you need to have at least 3 videos per week out there, unless you want your channel to die off in a very horrible way. So be consistent. Also guys, you need to make videos longer than 10 minutes. If you're a gaming channel, then you have to make it longer than 10 minutes, because it gives you more watch time. And more watch time equals to more search ranking, more views, more subscribers. And as you know, I make 20 minutes video, which is twice as big than. And whenever you feel like you need to quit, don't. Just think of the fact why you started this place, why you started, alright, why you have done so much hard work, why have you bought this much amount of costly equipment. Even though I'd never recommend you to do that, but you already did, because you never ever will listen to me, because you are creepy as fuck. See some motivational videos out there, because it will work one day, and then you will realize that you are going to do a big mistake by quitting on this platform. And yes, also tell people to subscribe at the end of the video. If you think people are smart enough that they will automatically subscribe if your videos are good, then you are a bigger fool than them, cause they won't, and that's a fact. So you have to tell them, remind them, like, don't be freaking like you need to subscribe now. You need, and by the way, I say that a lot, like, you need to subscribe me, like, yeah, you can just press that subscribe button below, okay, and see my KingAnBru. Just give them a small reminder, like, okay bro, you enjoyed this video, then why not subscribe? Cause I make more videos like this, and I will keep making them unless I quit, and which will never happen if you see KingAnBru's video on how to grow on YouTube. Tell them to share your video, tell them to like your video, alright, that's important, and have fun. If you're not having fun making your videos, what's the point of making videos? And do YouTube as a passion, never do it for money, because you won't earn a shit. Do it as your passion, and no field is dense enough for you to grow, alright? Understand this thing. Even if you go to the densest field out there, you will still grow. But you need to be humble towards the people. I know I don't really have these problems, like, I don't have attitude in me. Like, people sometimes say me, like, you are not replying me to attitude में आ गया है. भाई मैं कैसे आ गया attitude में? तुम देखो तो मेरे channel almost like every day I'm getting 200 to 300 comments, and how is it possible for me to make a video as well as reply to all comments? Like, I see most of them, but I don't reply them. Don't make haters out there. Stay humble. Enjoy what you do. Be consistent. And don't be toxic. Don't quit. Don't buy costly equipment. And at the end of the day, subscribe KingAnBru for more gaming videos. Okay, so that should be it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Check out my action giveaway. It's a musty software. If you make PC gaming videos. So you can just go and check it out. I am giving you 3 free license keys of that. Make sure to smash the like button so hard that it breaks into pieces. As always, I got a new haircut. Ow.